a number 2 Cincinnati tool and cutter grinder. This unit is currently wired 440, but can also be wired 220. If you shop only has 220 service, please let us know while purchasing the machine, so we can get it wired for you. So when you get it, it's just plug and play. This unit has a 1/2 horsepower motor in the workhead. The workhead motor is not up top; it's actually belt driven. If you come look over here, the motor is down here with the belt. Belt's still in excellent shape. You also have an auxiliary starter box for if you ever want to put a motorized workhead on it. Here's the plug right there. Right now that service is off. To raise the head up and down, you have a 1/2 inch Allen bolt over here on the side. You want to loosen it. Then you can either this hand wheel or this hand wheel. As you can see, the head's dropping, or you can raise it. It goes up with ease. I always forget, once a week or whatever, make sure you always put some whey lube in here or spindle oil to keep the slides lubed. When you get to the proper height, you always want to tighten it. Clamps work great. And as you can see, it's frozen in place. Same thing with the workhead on the top. If you want to get the head to spin, which right now it's a little loose, but it needs to be a little looser. Loosen the binder bolt on the top, so you can put it whichever degree that you need it. This is a double-ended spindle. This is the right hand, this is the left hand. This is missing the arbor over here for the left hand. They are readily available though. Get it where you need it to be. Tighten it down. Always make sure it's loose when you go to rotate it, because you do not want to damage the clamp. You can see now it's tight. This unit also comes with 2 centers. One is a spring-loaded center. You also have a manual workhead. It does index. If you want to take off the index, you can loosen up your nut down here or up here, back off the clicker. There's also a binder here too. You bind it. See, it does not move. This head also spins. Table goes from left to right with ease. As you can see. Move this out of the way. I have the binders loose right now. If you need to tighten this, you just tighten these 2 Allens. As you can see, the table moves with ease. You also have a little option over here if you want to use your incher. Come over here, you bring this up, put a little tension on it, move it till it drops in. As you can see, then you can move it accordingly. It's not free spinning anymore. This is where it needs to be. These are your binders for the slide, so to bind the table down. This moves your table in and out toward the workhead or away from the workhead. These are also your hard stops, and you have adjustment on your hard stops also. You want to disengage, hand wheel and use your creepers on the back. Always hold the table, pull this out. Then you have over here on the back, so if you're doing quick work, you have one on each side. If you want to disengage one, just pull it out. Re-engage it, lock it. Puts it back in, front hand wheels are re-engaged. This unit also has a work light. And it also has its own transformer, so you don't have to plug this into a separate outlet. Over here on the side, you have your forward and reverse for the spindle. This is your spindle control. As you can tell, the bearings in the workhead are in excellent shape. Let it spool down, and when switching rotation, always make sure that the spindle comes to a complete stop before changing direction. See, workhead is in excellent shape in both directions. The bearings are nice and quiet. One other option that this unit also comes with, it also comes with a vise that goes onto the table. It's actually meant for this unit. So you're going to get your manual workhead, you're going to get your centers, and you're also going to get your vise. This is our number 2 Cincinnati tool and cutter grinder.